now. I just found out from our developer that we're not getting tokens, we're actually getting coins. So that's what our native blockchain creates, our actual coins. So that's so it's a better situation for everybody. The coin is just more accepted. Introducing GETREV COIN. It's a new smart chain, blockchain-based marketplace for trading digital assets, NFT, according to our users' interests, including built-in smart merchant account for business owners. And the smart merchant account is where we come in and where we reinvent the blockchain, because we're adding something no one else has. That will raise our value considerably because of the volume that'll be added to our daily volume every day. That'll raise our value. And right now, I'm going to tell you in this webinar how you can take 2 cents and turn it into 5 cents and get GETREV coins right after you buy them. Okay, let's go. Let's start up here. First, let's get the basics out of the way. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, sometimes called crypto, a form of currency that exists digitally or virtually, uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. So that's what cryptocurrency is. So it records everything, it's safe, it's hack-proof, it's just unbelievably good place to put your money. And if you're getting started with a new coin like us, if you were back in 2009, this would be us in 2009. How did it start? Well, many investors consider Bitcoin to be the original cryptocurrency, founded in 2009 by a programmer, possibly a group of programmers, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin ushered in a new age of blockchain technology and decentralized currencies. It was created in the wake of the 2008 global financial crisis as a way for people to control their money themselves without having to rely on companies, banks, governments, fees, and controls. It was the first decentralized currency, meaning not controlled by anybody but you. It was your money and you controlled it. Now, what is crypto market capitalization? Stocks are valued by the number of stocks that are out in the market, by the price of the stock. So if there's 1,000 stocks out at $700 a share, that's the price of the stock times. And it's the same thing with cryptocurrency. The number of coins that we have in circulation times the value of the coin, that's our market cap. So the more coins we have in circulating supply, the total circulating supply of coins times the price of each coin, that's what is going to predict the market cap for us. And that's the important thing. Now, in a recent podcast, and I tell you this every day, and I'll keep telling you, Raoul Pal, former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager and CEO of Real Vision, and Real Vision is on YouTube. All you got to do is look them up. They have got some of the greatest speakers on finance and money that you could hear. And they've predicted that the global crypto market capitalization could increase 100 times by the end of this decade. These guys have been right about more things and more. They predicted this inflation 2 years ago. I was watching, and they predicted this inflation. They said that we're going to have hyperinflation in the U.S. in 2 years, and it came about just exactly what they said. So they know what they're talking about, and means that cryptocurrency will become an asset class to log the fastest growth in the shortest period of time. Other asset classes such as equities, bonds, or real estate all have a market cap between 250 and 350 trillion. Now, everybody says, oh no, buy gold. Well, gold, what are you going to do? Carry it around in a wheelbarrow? I mean, come on, you'd get robbed in a second. This is the safest way to hold your money because it's digital, it's yours. You can just go transfer it into an exchange and get your money out in the same day, like we did, right? We got our money out right like that. Boom, boom, boom. She did it in one day. Explaining the crypto terminology to know before you invest, a beginner's guide. Explore the new and old basic terminologies you need to learn before starting your crypto world. Basic information will be your best tool for understanding the cryptocurrency you can use for your experience in the future financial market. You gotta know the basics before you start. Blockchain. Well, that's the distributed ledger, and what it does, it has a block of data, and it controls these blocks of data in sequential order, and that is the information that holds either the coin, our smart contracts, our NFTs, or whatever it is. And DeFi is just a short term for decentralized finance. Tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that represents an asset-specific use that resides on their own blockchain only. Tokens can be used for investment purposes, to store value, to make purchases. A token is a coin is a token, but we're going to have coins. Now, fiat money is legal tender, which means that's what the government says is money. But how do you like the value of your money now? I mean, after a year of 8%, that the government says 8%, but it's closer to 12 to 15% if we use the old index that they use to figure out inflation. So you're losing so much money, it is unbelievable. You already know it. You go to the store, you're paying double. You go to the gas station, you're paying double. It's ridiculous. They're out of control. The government is totally out of control. And the only person that is in control is you. You're in control of your life, your money, what you do with it. So get control of your money, put it into a safe place, put it into cryptocurrency. That's where you can have your safety. Get your money, don't lose any value on it. So if inflation goes up and the dollar is worth $1,000, so when you take out $1, you get your $1,000. Doesn't matter. Inflation can go and go and go, but your money will stay the same or grow. In our case, because we're a ground floor company, you're going to grow. We're giving you 2 cents, and you give us 2 cents, we give you back 5 cents. So an exchange. What's an exchange? Now that's where you could call it like a crypto bank, but it's not really a bank. It's like a brokerage, like a Goldman Sachs brokerage. You put your money in there, you convert it to crypto, or you take your crypto, you convert it to cash, and then you take it out of the bank, and then you got your money. Now, a wallet is a blockchain wallet. It's a digital wallet. It allows users to store and manage their coin, their Bitcoin, Ether, GRTV coins, whatever coins you got. And cryptocurrency blockchain wallet can also refer to the wallet service provided by the blockchain. A blockchain wallet allows the transfers of cryptocurrencies instantly. So you want to transfer money to your family or friends, if they have the wallet, you can transfer that money instantly. And they can take it out of the cryptocurrency just in the same day. Mining. Now, this is not something I'm fond of. You probably heard the term associated with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin really, the few other coins use it, but it's really losing popularity since they came up with the staking method that's proved to be just as reliable as mining, which is created by mining. Computers mine coins by solving complex math problems. The more powerful the computer, the faster it can think. Now, staking is a completely different way. That's when somebody puts up a lot of money in their account, and they're a stakeholder in the exchange. And when the transactions go through, the staker, and there's several of them, it's not just one, will confirm that transaction, and another staker will confirm that transaction until they have a consensus that transaction is good. So it works just like mining. You have a consensus, but you have people that have money on the line. If somebody screws up, then they lose money and they're taken out of staking. Now, HODL, that was a term used early on when Bitcoin would go down in value, and people would get scared. They'd say, "I think I'm going to sell my Bitcoin now," and they'd say, "No, HODL, hold on for dear life, because it's going to go back up." And look at it now. I could have bought it at $208 several years ago, and I didn't do it, and now it's $40,000. I sure wish I had. Now, NFTs, this is something new that's on the market, but boy, is it growing and it's getting hot. We're going to have an NFT marketplace on our site, and NFT, you've heard of them. They're like tokens. They're anything, a picture, a GIF, JPEG file, anything that you can create. Take a picture of yourself. That can be an NFT. But the bottom line is, it has to be something that is one of a kind. It can be minted, and when they mint it, they add in a token. So anytime that one of a kind item is sold, you get a royalty on it because you're the token holder. So you own it, you sell it to somebody else, they own it, but you hold the token. So if they sell it, you get a revenue stream all the time, every time they sell it. So if you create it, you're the holder of it, and you own it. That's how it works. It's really kind of cool. So we'll explain more about it when we have it, and that'll be something for you to get your head around. Now, our GETREV protocol, that's a 3-layer architecture divided into the storage layer, which is important, the core layer, and the application layer. The GETREV protocol adheres to the Google protocol buffers, which is free and open source cross-platform data format used to serialize structured data and useful in developing programs to communicate with each other or for strong data. Now, GETREV smart contract. Our GETREV smart contract is written in the Solidity language, and once written and tested, it can be compiled into bitcode and then deployed on the GETREV network and the GETREV virtual machine. And once deployed, the smart contract then can be queried via contract address, and will show those contracts right on your website. So you'll be able to see them yourself and see them making money in real time. Once we get our whole system up, and that's coming. That's coming for sure. First, we'll get our first 2 million coins, and then we'll get the rest of the system. They're building it now, actually. And those who choose to refer others will be rewarded a percentage of the contract amount of those they refer through levels of referred members. This is designed to help us all users generate extra income. GETREV Marketplace. GETREV Marketplace is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency, and our mission is to create an open financial system for the world to be the leading global brand for helping people convert digital currency in and out of local currency. A smart merchant account. The next generation smart merchant account, that's us. It ensures faster, safer transactions, processing speed by completing a consensus algorithm based on the non-chain layer and combines the hash chain and DAG. This allows businesses to accept payments in multiple ways. So they can accept our coin, or you can use your credit card and go ahead and use your credit card, buy coins, and then make your purchase. A virtual locker. This takes a small portion of our earnings to support various good local social activities, donations, and medical missions. But this we're doing on our own, not for you. Now, this is very important information, this page. This is testnet, this is the minor leagues, this is mainnet, this is the major leagues. Now, there's a big difference between the two. We've completed testnet, so we are officially in the minor leagues and we're good to go. A testnet is an experimental network where developers test, create, modify functions, and monitor the blockchain network performance. Hang on a minute. This is where you fix the bugs and other kinds of network failures. You catch everything that's wrong. You reuse the test files to ensure accurate comparisons between test runs. This is a sandbox environment. It enables developers to take risks and experiment and find the best possible model, a stable version, and implement it on the mainnet. All this happens at the scale of a controlled manner. The testnet ensures the mainnet deployment happens fast. So we completed testnet. This is done. And now once we get to mainnet, then we're on all the exchanges and all the different charting companies. The token and wallet. We already ran our first batch of GTR coins, and they were on they were already sold, so they're gone. So there's no sense in even looking there anymore. It was on MetaMask, that's a wallet. GETREV Wallet is a software used to store and send and receive cryptocurrency, enables users. But the main thing is we ran 10,000 GTRV coins. It was successful. They were sold, and they're gone. So that's it. Resides on its own blockchain and allows the holder GETREV, not token, coin, is now available was available at MetaMask and send and receive and transfer. But we will have the coins starting in April. I've just spoken to Zilionixx, the coder, and he's going to get us our coins, and we're going to be ready to rock and roll. So we're getting ready. GETREV Coin owns our own blockchain, and that leaving open endless opportunities to create new tokens and coins and smart contracts for other companies that need services. Plus, owning a blockchain allows us to innovate and add functionality, and we can create our own blockchain. Coders are top-notch and plan to have the project completed in 6 weeks. We only pay them for the modules that are completed and delivered, and they want to build trust with us. And the good thing is that they are here in the Philippines, about an hour from our office. Ray, he's the manager of marketing. He's about an hour from our office, so we're going to be working closely with Ray over the next 3 months to get their business going too, along with our business, because if they grow, we grow. As their value goes up, our value goes up. We plan to meet them once we take them out to dinner. They're going to help us save money when they introduce us to their law firm, and they took a 5% ownership share in our company. That's how much they believe in us. So that's a big deal for us, that they're actually a part of us. And this is our seal for our corporation in Florida, but we're going to be licensed and incorporated in Singapore eventually. Why are we different, and what do exchanges look for to price a coin? That should be up here. What do exchanges look for to price a coin? Volume. That's number one thing that exchanges look for. What is the real daily volume for the coin? Exchanges will link to our API and access our public data. We would have data candles set up for every minute throughout the day because of our merchant account. That'll show all of our transactions. It'll increase our volume every day. We do this, and that's real transparency. Now, our transparency rating needs to be an A or an A plus to get the best valuation, and that should be a no-brainer because we're going to be so transparent, it's going to make them crazy. We will even display the amount of holding in our escrow to pay all our smart contract amounts. So we'll show you the smart contract amounts plus the escrow account, and the escrow account at first will be less than the smart contract amount, but you'll see the escrow account growing and growing and growing as the value of the coin grows and grows. And then we have an offset number of coins that we hold in reserve and to sell to pay the contracts. I hope that makes sense to you. So if we have smart contracts of $1 million, then we'll have the coins in reserve that cover that $1 million that we can sell off, and boom, that goes right into the escrow account, and that pays all the smart contracts. So we know how to pay this. We will show the plan on our website, and you can see it right now in the white paper, and it specializes in creating white papers. There you go. And then the exchanges want to know if you're set up legally. We have that in the bag. We're going to go to Singapore. I'm going to personally go to Singapore, and I'm going to do this myself. And we're going to have a complaint desk right in the legal structure. That's how transparent we're going to be. So anybody that complains they got a problem, we're going to fix it and show them right there in the complaint desk. That's much different than any other company, I assure you that. Okay. Know your crypto coin value. The number of nodes has a big impact on the coin value. A node is a wallet or any device storing a number of coins. The more nodes means the more chances of having a big daily volume. Now, everybody that uses that merchant account, they will get a wallet stored for them, and it will have coins in it, and that will be an active node. So anybody that uses a merchant account is an active node. So imagine, merchant account used 1,000 times in a day, that will be an active node. Now we will have a merchant account in Singapore that will be a bank level merchant account that will be embedded into the blockchain, and that will make us different. I promise you that. People will really love that convenience of being able to use a credit card right in the blockchain. And we will assign a virtual debit card to each wallet, making GETREV the only crypto coin that can be spent instantly at any merchant accepting the debit card. So if you see something at the marketplace you want to buy, because we're going to have a mini Amazon there, and all NFTs, anything that you can think of will be there. Fees for the debit card will offset, allowing people to use a merchant account free for 30 days. That's a big deal because then they get to use it before they buy it, and then they know it's going to work for them. So it's free account for 30 days for any business, and they can just get up and start using it. And we have the technology to pin these debit cards. They're very simple. It's the same technology used for 40 years. It's actually very simple to do a debit card. Okay, now this will be, I hope this is what our GETREV debit card looks like, and I hope it can be used with either crypto or cash, but I will see. I mean, there's a company in Canada that has a special debit card that you can manage your crypto and your cash right inside your debit card. Now, whether we can get that debit card if we're big enough, I don't know. maybe through Zilionixx and us together, maybe we can get that debit card. And that would be a big deal for everybody if we can, but we'll see. It's based upon reinvesting your daily profits. A friendly suggestion: the profits that you make monthly, just roll them up back into your contract, because we're not in a position yet to start paying out monthly profits until we get the whole system set up. Once the whole system is set up, then it's no problem. We can pay them out anytime you want them. But we have to launch the company before we can start, acting as if we're done. We're not done yet. And we're at the starts of being done, but we're like I said, we completed testnet. Now we're going to move to working on getting on mainnet. Start referring others. The significant income can be earned by referring others, which is a great thing. Now, how are we going to pay those smart contracts? We have a few other sources of income we're going to be adding in there. We have a 2x2 moneymaker matrix that you'll see on GETREV. Now, when you join that matrix, we have 3 positions in each one of the matrices that when they cycle, that money goes right into the escrow account. Then we have the marketplace. That's the mini Amazon, the NFTs, the trading digital currencies. Anything that you want is going to be there. And that's going to be, and you want it, it'll be there. NextRev Sales and Advertising Platform. We advertise for other companies. We're going to be advertising for Zilionixx starting tomorrow, actually. Our smart contracts, smart trading platform, our exchange. That's a great. That's a money maker right there. Profits from the exchange can go right into the escrow account. The money you make on the coins that you hold in the exchange, as they grow in value, you can sell those coins to another exchange and take that money and put it in your escrow account. So we'll be doing that all the time. It'll be a constant, you'll see a constant flood of money going right into the escrow account. Boom, 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 from the exchange. Exchanges actually make millions of dollars a year if you have enough volume. Referrals, of course, we got to grow the base. We have to have more people coming to these webinars, and I think we're going to be starting a Zoom webinar starting in April. The car tells me that people are having trouble with our webinar, so we're going to start with Zoom webinars coming up very soon. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is an agreement between 2 people in the form of computer code. It replaces the old handshake. They run on the blockchain, and blockchain is considered law in court. So they're stored on a public database that cannot be changed. The transaction happens in a smart contract. It's processed on the blockchain, which means they can send automatically without a third party. That blockchain then is the law when it comes to upholding the contract. Smart contracts are similar to time deposits and are remarkably the same. However, smart contracts are built to function on the blockchain, and they have enormous potential for success. So we pay you 10% a month in our blockchain, and that's what you're going to get. That's what you're going to get. We're going to have that money always available. It'll, in one form or another, it'll be in coins that we'll have to sell at one point to get put it into the escrow account, and we'll be constantly adding to the escrow account from our sources of income as we go. You can start an account for $100. That's 5 cents a coin. So you get 2,000 GTR coins. You're going to get $10 monthly, $280. You'll have 5,600 coins at the end of 18 months if you start at a nickel. But I can show you how to take 2 cents, start at 2 cents, then take that nickel coin and put it right into a contract, because you can transfer your coins right into a contract. Now, if you start you can be a founding member. That starts at $1,000. You'll get 10 shares of stock. Now those shares, if we ever sold the company or anything, you would get paid the share price, and we predict the share price to be $100. Now those will also be able to bought and sold on the marketplace. So that'll be another benefit of the marketplace, the stock shares. And then you'll get 20,000 GTR coins, $100 a month profit, 2,800 bucks at a nickel a coin, 56,000 coins at the end of 18 months at a nickel. If you started with $1,000. Now again, you can start with, if you took $1,000 right now, you'd have 2,500 coins. So that'd be between here and here. So it'd be half of this, and you'd get 2,500. So that's the difference. So you get more coins. Okay, here's our crowd sales and our prices as follows. March 1st from April 1st to April 30th, the one GTR coin is 2 cents. 2 cents. And that'll be through April 30th. May 1st, they're going to go up to 3 cents, not 2.5 cents, 3 cents. And if you're a first-time buyer, you're going to get a 10% bonus on your purchase. You'll have 10% more coins added. So if you buy $1,000, we'll add $100 in coins, and you'll have $1,100 in coins. And that can be converted into a smart contract that'll make you a lot of money at 10% a month. Benefits of having a GETREV coin: 10% monthly profit until launching, 10% thank you bonus for a first-time purchase, profit handsomely from the pre-sale price and then converted to the 5-cent price right away. I mean, we're doing this because we need to increase our number of coins so that we can increase our market cap, because our market cap is going to help set the price of the coin. If you have a low market cap, you're not going to have a high price coin. So that's why we're doing this sale of 2 cents to 5 cents. Become one of our founding members, earn more from the referral rewards, and this is true protection from inflation. You're getting 60%, 40% value, 2 cents to 5 cents, that's 60%. So you're getting 60% upgrade right away, and then you're getting protection from inflation and 10% monthly. I mean, what more could you ask for? And then, okay, so if you buy them at 2 cents, $1,000 will get you 50,000 GTR coins. Now remember, before I showed you 20,000 GTRV coins. That's $2,500 worth of coins, plus a 10% bonus if it's first time purchase. Now, as we go up to 3 cents, that's going to be only 166 dollars in coins, but still a savings. 4 cents will be 20% at $12.50. And then 5 cents when we finally get back up to 5 cents. But, you know, this will be based on getting rid of selling those first 2 million coins. We have to get 2 million coins on the market to have any chance to get some kind of a market value. We need the coin to go up to $1 at least and past it. And with our merchant account, it should easily do that. Now, our referral reward plan. Those who choose to refer others will be rewarded a percentage of the contract of those who refer through infinite levels. Now, referral commissions will appear in your funding account where they'll draw profits, and they can be withdrawn at any time because those are referral coins. Now, so you can get those. But bottom line is, we need the help from you to bring more people to these calls, webinars, so that we can have more people in the mix buying coins, so that we get those 2 million sold. And at 2 cents a piece, I mean, it's just a no-brainer. Referring others is not required to earn passive income. Now, if you sell the coins on the crowd sale page, guess what? You're going to get your reward coins paid to you at 2 cents a coin. So instead of making $10 on $100, you're going to make $25 on $100. So you'll get paid $10 worth of coins at 2 cents a piece because you sold them on the crowdfunding page. Now, level 1 is 10%, level 2 is 5% on the referral plan, level 3 is 3%, 2, and then 1. And then we also give you bonus tokens. If you get 5 referrals that have purchased, that's 250 GTRV coins. If you get 100 referrals that have purchased, and that's not impossible by any stretch, you get 70,000 GTRV coins. And if you like our Facebook page, we'll give you 20 GTRV coins. All you have to do is like our Facebook page, 20 GTRV coins. Share our Facebook page, 20 GTRV coins. Like our Instagram page, 20 GTRV coins. Share it, 20 RG. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, you get 30 GTRV coins. But you have to subscribe and you have to like the video you're watching, because that helps us grow our YouTube channel, and that's going to be important for us. Now, share YouTube page, 30 GTR coins. We want to grow that YouTube channel quickly, so help us out there. Now, our smart merchant account, zero risk for merchant. Our plan for the new GETREV coin is to give business owners an alternate merchant account for their business. GETREV coin will be fully licensed cryptocurrency, including cryptocurrency to cash exchange, and we will be licensed and as an exchange and as a coin in a corporation in Singapore. We will not charge merchants any fees for using our merchant solution for the first 30 days. Then after that, there will be. How do I earn more? You can quickly increase your daily profit amount by either adding more money to your account or by earning commissions as a result of referring others to open a smart contract. For example, you could start with $100, and if you refer just one person who buys GETREV account for $100,000, you would get 10% of that, or another $100, and you would have doubled your account. Your commissions would greatly increase the size of your own account, and once you get up to 1,000, then you can turn it into a founding member account. Wouldn't that be? Now, here's where I want to show you the Zilionixx crowdfunding page. Let me pull it up here. Hang on a minute. Oh, here, I got it right there. All right, here you go. Now, here's our Zilionixx crowdfunding page. I want you to see this. Now, they have a similar, they give a bonus as well. Their token is $1.21 at this present time. And here's the team. You have Timothy, you have Dr. Joe Lau, and here's Raymond, the guy we're working with, the marketing man, and Joan Lau, another one of the board members. And then let's go down to where you get the back up here. Okay, here's where it says investment of 1,000, you'll get 20% Zilionixx tokens added to your $1,000. Investment for 5,000, you'll get 25%. So that's the difference. You're going to get a big bonus from them. So this is like buying into a small Ethereum or Binance. These guys are going to be big once they mature, and people start going to them because of the technology. Their slogan is, let me get my presentation back up here. Okay. Now, their slogan is fastest transfers at lowest fees. Now, what do they have? AI smart contracts. Now, Timothy and his team in Japan added AI smart contracts, a full trading platform, exchanges, layer D apps for aspiring game dev. We're not going to do that, but it's available. Medical service, put your medical records on the blockchain. Couldn't be safer than that. metaverse games, NFTs. Now that certainly will have that. Fastest transfer and lowest fees. They do one transaction a second. Now you can download this exact presentation by going to sign up, and when you go log into your back office, go to tools, download the presentation, and you have all of the links right here for the crowdsales.zilionixx.com. That's what we just showed you on the web page. Now get in touch with us. You can get in touch with us at GETREVCoin.com, support@GETREVCoin.com. Our phone number is 904-902-0141. That's how you reach us. And we're at youtube.com, and this is our channel, and this is really what we want to grow. So please come there, view our videos, subscribe, and like every video that you view. And go to Twitter, and that's our Twitter handle, and we add a tweet every day, don't we, Dakar? Okay, share those tweets. We'll give you 20 GRTV coins for that. Instagram, that's our Instagram page. That's our Skype. Now, the Skype is where you get all your information. Get that Skype link and from the download, and anytime you go there, you can ask questions. You get them answered right there. And if you got a problem, tell them right there, and we'll get it fixed. And also, you'll have the schedule for all of the webinars and the links to Zoom. Any questions? Oh, great. Facebook groups. Yeah, create Facebook groups. We created it. You join our group and we can chat in there. And okay, now remember, we're going to be having our calls, our webinars on Zoom starting April 1st, or Monday. We'll just start them on Monday. Yeah, Monday. We'll be one more day on this. So Monday we'll start the new deal. And we can convert, if we're having any problems with Zoom, we can always come back here. So anyway, we've got two platforms now, Zoom and this one, and we're going to have a coin, not a token, and that's confirmed by Zilionixx, who's doing all of our coding. And I'm glad that I had to say that, because the coin is more mature than a token, even though they do the same thing. And we thank you for attending our webinar. This has just been a marvelous opportunity for us to spread the word. And we need to get those 2 million coins sold within a quick period of time at 2 cents a piece. You get to turn them into 5 cents. So it helps you, it helps us, it helps the world. So let's get this money saved up so that you can be protected from inflation. We can be protected from inflation, and the world goes on. So I thank you. Have a wonderful night and enjoy. And we'll be back tomorrow. Nakar will be presenting tomorrow, and she talks a lot slower than I do. I'm sorry about that, but that's the way I talk. I'm just a fast talker. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Have a great night. Bye-bye.